Hi. I just want to jump on here this morning because I was reading the latest uh, product purchases at the grocery stores and wherever you buy these products. But cleaning chemicals have gone up 60%. Hand sanitizers has gone up 600%. Now that's just really scary for me. So I thought I would just jump on here and give you a little bit of ENJO Basics to tell you and describe just how Enyo gets that level of cleanliness that we do. Um, First of all, there's two types of cleaning. One's chemical or product cleaning, and one is mechanical. So if you're still doing a product cleaning, you're buying all those chemicals, and in your house you have whether your surfaces are vertical or horizontal or round or hard or soft, they all have, well, 98 point something percent are porous surfaces, which means they have microscopic pores in all the top of your surfaces. Now, even your glass, which is not porous to begin with, but if you've been using a very caustic cleaner, you can etch that glass and then it becomes porous too. So down in here, on all these microscopic pores, you have this is where all your dirt, germs, and bacteria hide, all the bad stuff. So if you're using a traditional cloth, you're using a flat cloth, which is about this big, and it will not go into all these microscopic pores. So over time, you've been pounding all this stuff in here and pushing it down, and it'll tell you right on the bottle that it'll only kill most of them, but not all of them. And it also, if you've been reading the directions, it says you have to leave it wet like anywhere from 4 to 10 minutes. Well, that's a lot of product that you have to keep putting on to keep a surface wet, especially if you're doing a big counter or something in your kitchen. So, and then because you're not killing everything, and if maybe you didn't leave it on long enough, this stuff can get survive and eat whatever you've put in there. So then this is how a superbug is created, essentially, right? So this is not a healthy home. First of all, if you sprayed anything, it's in the air for half an hour. And we've all done that, right? We've gone into the bathroom, we turn on the fan, open the windows, sprayed like heck, and run. So we don't have to choke the fumes. We go back in later, and we still choke on them because we didn't know they were in the air for half an hour. I mean, we've all done it. So that's one of the typical chemical cleaning ways that you're doing. Plus, all that stuff goes down the drain, into the water, all the bottles into the landfill, and nothing really gets helped at all because it's still down there eating away. So, Enyo is a different way of cleaning, it's a mechanical way of cleaning. And everything is sourced locally, responsibly, and ethically around in Austria, about 100 kilometer an hour, 100 kilometer range. Everything is made in Austria, in a small town in Austria. The only thing that's made in somewhere else is the spray bottle made in Italy. So everything is the highest quality. Johannes will never buy anything that's cheap. So it will never move to China, say, because we're not ever going to put cheap materials into Enyo. So, and we have the best standards. We have a 9001 ISO standard for the factory and a 14001 standard for all our products, which goes from the thread to the finished product. And we also have the OCO Text 100 standard, which that's takes everything we use in the product from the beginning to the finished product, and it's all the highest standards possible. So we clean with our fiber tech, which is this. So all of our fiber techs are a fluffy fiber. There's about 10 little fibers in each little clump, which is the size of one human hair. So there's millions of tiny fibers in this, in every mitt. So the white is for the bathroom. It's actually engineered specifically for calcium and soap scum. And you can see behind me the other gloves, the green is for kitchen, which is engineered for grease. So with our FiberTech cloth, and all these microscopic pores, they are actually engineered to go in, pick up, and hold with cold water. So you can go with this glove from bathroom to bathroom to bathroom. If you have 3 or 4 bathrooms, you just keep going from bathroom, because it will pick it up and hold it. And it will hold all the stuff until you rinse it out with hot water or throw it in the washing machine and wash it up and get it all ready to go again. Uh, so when you use ENJO, we have nothing going in our groundwater, because I'm in the country with the septic tank. So there's nothing in the groundwater, nothing in somebody's river down the way. I don't have to put anything in the landfill. And all this stuff, when I decide in 3 or 4 years down the road that it's lost its effectiveness, I can recycle it. It goes back to Austria, and we turn it into something else. So everything is recyclable. Everything is responsibly made. So what I would like you to do for me is, if you see a neighbor, or if even you have slipped into the chemical aisle and you're stocking up for this second wave that's coming, maybe you could call me. And you might as well stock up on something like this, which is about the same price, and it's going to last you 3 years. So, and then there's nothing, you don't have to go to the store every week or two to buy more. You don't have to put up with all those people that you're having to meet because of the second wave. Everything can be shipped right to your house. Everything is recyclable. You could even shop online and send it to your grandmother and make it a Christmas gift. So there's so many pluses with ENJO that you really need to give it a shot. Just give me a call. If you have a neighbor that's still buying all those cartloads of chemicals, please refer them to me, or refer me to them. I'd love to talk to them. I just really think it's about time we started thinking responsibly, because I have to admit, when I first got sick with chemicals, saving the environment was not an issue. Saving the money never even entered my head. But I haven't bought chemicals in 6 years. I haven't put anything in the landfill in 6 years. My septic tank, they think it's new and I just got it fixed because my bacteria level is where it is and hasn't been killed off. So let me help you or your friend or whoever I can. I would love to talk to you. I have almost every evening open. I have daytime hours open. We can make it work. So you need to call me. I'd love to talk to you or your neighbor. Talk later.